what is up? I'm back with another video. So today I'm using my 5XL square full cover tips from Nail Couture. If you're wondering how I apply these, I do have videos on how I do this, so I will make sure to link it in the corner. Also, sorry it took so long for me to get another video up. I literally did like pink French tip Valentine's Day nail look, and then I was like, this doesn't look right. I think it's the nude polygel I used. If you have a darker skin tone, give me like tips on what nude polygels you use for like your French tips and stuff, because I feel like it looks so weird if the nude is too bright. If that makes any sense, like if it's too pale, it just looks really, really weird. But on that note, I will get back to you guys once we start the little glitters and gel application, because I did make, sorry, that's my daughter. I did make a few boo-boos, but the other hand, not the one I'm doing right now on camera, but the other hand opposite to it, I didn't do it on camera, but it turned out a lot better. So I'm going to tell you things that I should and shouldn't have done. Okay, so now here is the gel I'm using. I actually used hard gel for this, and this is mixed in with other hard gels. It's all Savvyland, but I took like a whole bunch of my glitter builder and hard gels I had and dumped it all into one to create like this super, super cute like pink purple glitter gel. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. Like, look at that. Oh my God, I love it. But here is also a reminder to you guys that make sure you subscribe, because a majority of you who watch me are not, and I really, really, really want to hit 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. But so here's where it kind of starts getting a little weird and confusing. I don't know why I did this, but I put on base coat, but I didn't put my glitters in it with the first layer, which I should have done right off the bat, but I cured it for whatever reason, and then I put base coat on again, and then I put glitters on that base coat, and then I cured it, and then I put the gel on, if that makes any sense at all. But I was tired, and I started my nails later in the day, and normally I start in the morning, so I was just like not thinking straight, obviously. But yeah, if you guys do glitters and you want to put gel or anything else on top of it, just put the glitters in the first layer of base coat. Because it just, I feel like the nails were a little bit more bulky on this side because of the fact that I put 2 layers of base coat, and then I also did 2 layers of gel and 2 layers of top coat because I did not feel like encapsulating with poly gel. So what I did is I just did top coat, and then I filed the hearts down that were sticking out, and then I did more gel and then more top coat. If you're watching, like, what I'm saying will make sense. I know it sounds like so much, and it really was a lot, but it's just, I don't want to say it's a mess because they actually turned out bomb, but it could have been done a little bit differently. But yeah, these heart glitters are so cute. I was going to use the little container that's on top of the ones I'm using now. And I did try it in the first thumbnail, but I ended up not liking it. So I'll probably use those for a different video. But on another note, I have some amazing news. So, one of my fiance's siblings moved out. So, we are finally getting out of this damn storage room. Finally. I'm saying it like we've been here for so long. We've only lived in here for like a year because if you don't know already, I've said this in previous videos, we had apartments before. Like, we've had 2 apartments, one before my daughter was born and one after my daughter was born. But we decided to save for a house, so we moved back in here because it'd be a faster process. But with doing that, we had to move in. What? Hold on. We had to move in a room that's not really a room. It's like the storage room. So, hold on, sweetie. So, yeah, we're finally getting an actual room, and I'm hoping I'll be able to do like mukbangs like I used to do and have an easier time filming the beauty videos and not have to struggle with lighting and stuff because there's an actual window in this room. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. And then it's a lot. It's super quiet in the house, and I'm so excited. Okay, so now to repeat what I did again. I did the first layer of base coat and I cured it. And this is the second layer that I'm not curing, and I'm putting in the glitters. So after this, I'm going to put on my gel. And then after that, I'm going to put on top coat and file. Okay. I hope that since I said it a little slower, y'all will get what I did, because after I put on that top coat, I filed and put on more gel and more top coat. I know, it sounds so stupid the way I did it. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I'm so mad at myself for doing it that way, because when I did the other hand, it was so much easier because I just did 1 layer of base coat and I put the glitters in that layer, and then I did the gel, top coat, filed, a little more gel, and top coat, and I was done. It's just so wild to me what people do, especially me when I'm tired. I don't think. But yeah, it was just a whole lot of nonsense. Like, if it don't make sense to you, that's okay. I don't blame you. You want to say hi?
Hey guys.
She's so cute. She loves when I do my voiceovers and my nails. Oh, you're standing on my... You okay?
Yeah.
Better? We had a little pull-up endeavor. I had to fix her pull-up / underwear. But how have you guys been? I'm so excited for Valentine's Day because I have another Valentine's Day nail look in mind. I don't know what I'm gonna do it though. We'll see. I'm hoping to do it soon, but I hate taking off my nails so often. Like, I like to do my nails and keep them, but I know that the people want more. So if you guys are still watching, I'm hoping this is starting to make a little bit more sense, because this is going to be the layer of top coat that I'm using as my encapsulation, and then I am going to be filing ever so lightly just to get like the glitters that are kind of sticking out. And then after that, I'm going to do the last coat of gel and top coat. By the way, you guys, sorry if I am being a little bit quiet. My baby is sleeping, so I don't want to wake her up. And my audio is starting to glitch out a little bit. I don't know why that's happening, but yeah, if it's like cutting in and out, that is totally like not my fault. It's something with my mic. I don't know what's going on with it, but yeah. Okay, so now this is the last layer of gel I am putting on. I do want to clarify, you guys, I normally wouldn't apply gel this way. Normally I would float it on top of the nail, but I was kind of oh my god, can't talk. I was kind of treating it as like a nail polish or a gel polish just because, I wasn't trying to have to float the gel on there and have to file it even more. Um, that actually might have been a better idea, but I also didn't know how it was going to look with the full covers. So maybe I'll try that in another video on another day. But yeah, that's the only reason I'm doing the gel a little bit differently. And I will put that down in the comments below so nobody is like, you're not supposed to use the gel that way. Because don't worry, I'm aware that you shouldn't be dragging your gel like nail polish. But, you know, your girl was lazy. I didn't feel like floating the gel. I wanted this to be a quick process. And it honestly was quicker than doing the float method. And yeah, yeah. I'm just rambling on and on and on. But y'all already know. Okay, so this is like one of my favorite parts. The roses and the pearls. So, I have been dying to use these pearls, and I can't remember if I used them in a video. I think I may have used them in like one other video, but I got these roses and these little candy looking hearts because, what is Valentine's Day without roses and hearts? It's just another regular day. So I had to I'm sorry. I sound like an idiot in this video. But anyways, yeah, I decided to do some cute little roses. I don't know. I've just been dying to do like something other than my normal gems that I do. And I was so happy with the way I did the roses. It took a few tries, I'm not even gonna lie, to get them where I wanted them. And it's just it was perfecto. It's so pretty. you guys, here is the finished results. They are so pretty. Sorry again if my video today was a little bit scatterbrained. I mean, today I'm feeling a little scatterbrained, so it's bound to happen. But here is a close-up of the nails. I hope you guys decide to subscribe. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing and supporting me. And if you're an old subscriber and here from the beginning, I appreciate you guys so much. I love you. Bye.